Let's create a report by using a wizard. Get your pull down for tables. Use the ninth grade table. Ninth grade table. Give me last name, first name, gender, last name, first name, gender. Got it? Hit next. What could I group on? Do you have to group on anything? No, you don't have to group on anything. But I'm going to group on gender. Going to put all males together, all females together. Hit next. Let's put last name in alphabetical order and first name in alphabetical order. Ascending. Hit next. You could change the orientation from portrait to landscape, but it's a report and you only have 3 fields in it. You have plenty of room to leave it in portrait. Hit next. Let's use corporate. Next. And name it. Gender breakdown. Hit finish. I cannot give you any points for this because your name is not on it. See how all females are together, all males are together? Right now you are in report view. Do you see that you're in report view? Nicole, you need to put your name on these reports. How do I flip-flop views? What button would I click on to flip-flop views? Hit your view button. You click on that view button, Summer, and now you're in design view. Hit the view button again. Aisha, you click on that view button again, you're in report view. Click on the view button again, you're in design view. Design view looks freaky. Be careful here. I would never create a report in design view because you don't have the skill set to do so. I do, however, need you to put your name on this report. The only way to put your name on the report is to do it in design view. Do you see your toolbox here? Does everyone have a toolbox? Oh no, look. I took mine off by accident. Look at your standard toolbox. What button would you click on to get the toolbox back? I don't know, the hammer and the wrench? Toolbox, hammer, wrench? Yeah. In your toolbox, you are going to have an AA and an AB. I want you to leave your mouse on AA. Do you see AA? This is the header. How do I know this is the header? Because it says report header. I want to draw AA, which is a label, a box right here so I can put my name on the report. Click on AA. Leave your mouse over in the header. Do you see the A? Left click. Keep your finger on the clicker. Don't let go and draw a box. Now let go. Do you have a box to type your name? A label is used to type your name. Type your name. Click off of it. You click on AA, you left click, you keep your finger in the clicker. Does it matter where you draw it? Heck yeah. I drew it right next to gender breakdown because it's in the header. Click off of it, which means click here. Now I'm going to click on my name once, and I'm just going to move it up so it looks good. Click back on your view button. Is your name on that report? The only way to print is to print with your name. Bill Murray, if you print and your name is not on there, you don't get any points for it. How would you actually, Jonathan, print it? What would you click on? The little print button on the standard toolbar. X out of the report. Save? Yes. Can you also right-click on it and print? Let's create one for the 8th graders. Click on Create a Report by using a wizard. Give me the last name, first name, city, and final exam. Hit Next. What could we group on? City. Do you have to group on anything? No, you could just hit Next. Let's put the last name in alphabetical order, then the first name in alphabetical order. We grouped by city. Yes, we did. Hit Next. Are we going to change the layout? Next. Make it bold. Hit Next. Name it. Breakdown of exam. Breakdown of exam. Hit finish. If I print this now, Michelle, I get no points. See all the people who live in fields? They're grouped underneath fields. School district does this report all the time. I now need to put my name on it. I'm in report view. What button do I click on to flip-flop views? The view button. Hit it. What button do I use, Aisha, on the toolbox to make a box for my name? AA. If you leave your mouse on AA, it's called a what? A label. Draw a label. Watch me. Summer. I must click on the AA. Do you see the little plus sign? I left click. I keep my finger on the clicker. I don't let go. I draw my box. Now I type my name. I click off of it. Then I click back on it once, and I kind of move it so it's lined up with the title. Click on your view button. Is your name on that report? You only get credit for reports that have your name. Hit the red X. Save? Yes. Do you have 2 reports? Close out of Fieldstone. The only thing you are printing from these databases, Nicole, are reports. Open up Blockbuster. If you don't have Blockbuster, look on with someone else. How many tables in Blockbuster? How come I can't see my table? Because I'm on reports. I think I better click on tables. And now I want to print. What do I click on? I don't know. How do I create a report? Using a wizard. I want to create a report from the employee file. Give me last name, first name, hours, and hourly pay. Last name, first name, hours, hourly pay. Hit next. Is there anything to group on? No. So what should I hit? Next. Did we group on anything? No. Put last name in reverse order. So what do I have to do? Hit ascending and it changes to what? Put first name in reverse order. Put hourly pay in reverse order. Put hours in reverse order. So let's see what we sorted. Last name, first name, hours, hourly pay, hours. Do you see how we did it? Hit next. Are we changing the layout? Hit next. Let's use formal. Next. Name it. Employee time sheet. Employee time sheet. Do you see last name, first name? Hourly pay is before hours because that's what you sorted by first, and then it was hours. The order you sort by is the order that the fields appear in the report. I'm in report view. What view do I have to be in to put my name on it? Design view. Hit your view button. Oh no! I don't have a toolbox. What do I do? Click on the hammer and wrench on the standard toolbox. Does it come back? Toolbox, hammer, wrench. I think there's a correlation. Using a label, AA, draw a box in the header. Type your name. Click on your view button. Is your name on that report? How many people are in the employee timesheet? How many? You should have 3. If you print a report, Michelle, and you have 1, you get no credit for the report. You would click on the printer button right here to print it. Close out of it. Do you want to save your name that you stuck on that report? Yes. Can you right-click on it and print? Right-click and delete. Yes. If you add anybody new, they won't be on that report. They won't be on that report because it's so stinking easy to create it using a wizard, you would just make another one.